Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on creating quality management dashboard in Bold BI. Construction quality management dashboards provide real-time visibility into construction projects' quality metrics, including inspections, defect trends, compliance scores, and contractor performance. It helps teams monitor standards, reduce risks, and ensure timely corrective actions for improved outcomes. First, create a new dashboard and name it Construction Quality Management Dashboard. Next, create a data source for construction quality management details using PostgreSQL and enter the required connection details: name, server name, port, username, password, and database name. Select Connect, which opens the query designer and enables the code option. Enter the query you have and select Run to see the values retrieved from the database. Save the data source. Next, add a combo box to the dashboard designer that allows users to select projects. Name the widget Project and add the project ID to the assigned data field. Select Enable Multi-Select in the basic settings. Disable Persist Virtual Selection in the filter section. Adjust the font size settings in the container appearance. Add another combo box. Name the widget Project Type and add the project type in the assigned data field. Customize its properties. Next, add a combine widget. Next, add a number card and name it Promoters Percentage. Add the expression for promoters and promoters percentage. Add promoters percentage to the measure section. Format the value on the right to percent. Change the horizontal alignment to center in the appearance settings. Set the font size in measure section. Disable font size. And change the position to top in the title section. Click Enable Animation in the animation settings. Click Show Image. Change the alignment to left. Browse for an image in Image Settings. Disable Show Shadow in Container Appearance. Next, add a number card and name it Detractors Percentage. Add the expression for detractors and detractors percentage. Add detractors percentage to the measure section. Format the value on the right to percent. Customize its properties. Next, add another number card and name it Passive Percentage. Add the expression for passives and passives percentage. Add passives percentage to the measure section. Format the value on the right to percent. Customize its properties. Add a radial gauge to the combined widget and name it Net Promoter Score. Add an expression for NPS. Drag the NPS to the actual value. Change the type to half circle. Adjust the maximum value to 100. And click Enable Animation in Basic Settings. Change the value pointer to range with needle in the pointer settings. Enable Show Ticks. Change the tick position And scale label position to inside in the scale settings. Enable show range. Adjust the font size for the actual value in font settings. Adjust the font sizes. And disable show shadow in container appearance. Enable show header in container actions. Next, add the text widget. Add the text for NPS with expression. Disable show shadow in container appearance. Next, add another radial gauge. Name it average time taken to fix defects. Drag the issue fixing time to the actual value. Format the value on the right to hours. Customize its properties. Next, add a number card. And name it total rework cost. Add the rework cost to the measure section. Format it to currency. Customize its properties. Next, add another number card. And name it Safety Meetings. Add the planned meetings to the measure section. Customize its properties. Then add a KPI card. Name it Site Inspection Success Level. Add past site inspection in actual value. And total site inspections in target value. Add the description. Change the direction to low as good in color settings. Disable auto font size in the title section. Next, click Enable Animation in the animation settings. Change the type to % of target. Change the color. And set the font size in KPI value. Disable show icon in the indicator. Disable both auto font sizes. Change value font size. And name to past in left value. Disable both auto font sizes. Change value font size. And name to total. Next, add another KPI card. Name it Customer Complaints. Add total complaints in actual value. And close complaints in target value. Customize its properties. Next, add another KPI card. Name it Defects. Add minor defects in actual value. And major defects in target value. Customize its properties. Add a radial gauge. Name it Customer Satisfaction Score. Add expressions for CSR. Drag CSR to actual value. And add % symbol on the right. Customize its properties. Next, add a column chart. Name it Defects by Type and Project Type. Then add the expression for defects due to manpower. Design defects and construction defects. Add these 3 defects in the value section. Add project type in the column section. Add the description. Next, click Enable Animation and show Value Label in basic settings. Disable interactivity. Change the position from bottom to top. And change shape to series type in Legend settings. Disable both Show Axis titles in the Axis section. Disable title auto font size. and adjust the font size and container appearance. Next, add a pie chart and name it Customer Satisfaction Level. Add the expression for category. Add the project ID in the Values section. And format it to distinct count. Add the category and column section. Add description. Select Enable Animation and change the data label to percentage in basic settings. Enable the legend. Disable interactivity. Change the position from bottom to top. And change shape to series type in legend settings. Then adjust the font size and container appearance. Next, add a column chart. Name it NCR Reports by Project. Then add expressions for closed reports and open reports. Add these reports in the Value section. Add project ID in the column section. Customize its properties. Now, everything is ready to preview the dashboard. Click Preview and the dashboard will be rendered in preview mode. Once the dashboard is created, you can publish it by clicking the Publish button. In this video, you have learned how to create a quality management dashboard for construction projects. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.